Smart lock installation video. Front panel, rear panel, rear gasket, rear plate rubber pad, battery, lock body, slub screw, square pole, tail ruler, solenoid, spring, screw, lock cylinder, locking screw before installation. Tighten with pliers. Install rear lock gasket. Install the tail ruler on the tongue knob at the lower end of the rear lock. Insert the opening pin and fix the tail ruler. Be careful to fold the opening pin with pliers and turn the knob. Make sure that the folded opening pin will not touch the motor. Install lock body. Screw on. Install the lock cylinder. If the lock cylinder ruler is too long, it needs to be cut to no more than 2 centimeters beyond the edge of the indoor door. Screw on. Install the front lock. Be careful to pass the data cable through the door first and then put it in. First pass the wire through the rear lock gasket. Fix the length of the rear lock slub screw. Do not go beyond the outdoor door. If the tail ruler is too long, we need to cut it. The reserved length should not exceed the edge of the outdoor door. Screw on the slub screw. Adjust the front and rear locks. Alignment keyhole. Tighten the screws. Rear panel in spring. Plug in the pole short inward. If the square rod is too long, it needs to be cut no more than 3 centimeters beyond the edge of the indoor door. Allowable error of 2 cm. Connect the front and rear lock power cords. After installation, the lock first threads the wire into the door hole. Note that the line is straightened out first and then hidden in the door to avoid pressing the line. Align the square pole and put it on the tail ruler. Screw on. Install the battery. Install the battery cover. Installation complete.